Hi everyone and welcome back to Cleaning the EC Way. Today we're going to be going through and talking about our process of cleaning a gas stovetop. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, as you saw, I went and I sprayed our entire stovetop down with an all-purpose cleaner. With a dry rag, I am starting at the top and I am going to wipe everything down. As I am wiping everything down, I am looking for areas that need just a little bit of extra help. Oh, you're killing me here. Why don't you tell me what you're going to do with those areas that wouldn't just get clean with the all-purpose cleaner? Tell me. For the next step, I'm going to be using a sponge and soft cleanser by Barkeeper's Friend. I am going to put the Barkeeper's Friend on the sponge because we're focusing in on small areas. And then I'm going to clean until I feel like I've got it as clean as possible. Now, after I've done that, I am going to do the most important step I feel when cleaning with Barkeeper's Friend. And I'm going to rinse that area with water over and over and over again until I have gotten all of the Barkeeper's Friend off. And once I'm done with this area, I'm going to move on and get all the other spots on the stove. Next, I am going to be cleaning the burner covers. Again, using the Barkeeper's Friend and a sponge. And I'm going to work and try to get as much of these spots off as I possibly can. I like to do it in the sink because it's so much easier to rinse the Barkeeper's Friend off in the sink. And I'm going to be doing it to the caps as well. Once I have cleaned those with Barkeepers and rinsed them off, I just use a dry rag. And I'm going to get them as dry as I possibly can. I forgot to film when I was spraying the burners down. But typically, when we spray them while they're still on the stove with an all-purpose cleaner and then just put them off to the side. These did not need a little extra help, so I'm just using the rag and I'm going to wipe everything down and dry. So before I put everything back together, I'm going to spray the surface down one last time with a glass cleaner. The reason why we use a glass cleaner is because it helps prevent streaks and it gives it just a little bit of a shine. If you're going to follow this step, make sure you use a glass cleaner that is ammonia-free and oil-free. And then I am going to just put everything back together. For the front of the stove, we're going to be using glass cleaner. If it was really gross or dirty, we would have sprayed it down with an all-purpose cleaner first. Now, you can see that the knobs on this are easily removed. If you have a stove that has knobs that are easily removed, make sure that you are very gentle in both removing them and putting them back on because you run the risk of something cracking and breaking. Now, once you remove it, you're going to just clean the knob itself and underneath the knob and put it back into place. If your knobs are not easily removed, we will just take the rag and kind of run it underneath the knob itself like a polishing, like a shoe shine type movement, and then we'll just clean the knobs itself. Here's a little tip for you. If you've got a lot of gunk and food and grease buildup on those knobs, you can just get a little toothbrush, scrub brush, and just kind of go over those little cracks to get it clean. When it comes to the door of the oven, we are going to make sure that we open the door and get that little ledge right on the top. We're going to go through and get everything as clean as possible, working from the top to the bottom. You're actually going to see Cody do like a fanning motion with the rag. This actually helps with the drying process and prevents streaks. And if you have a drawer, we're going to go ahead and make sure we open and get the ledge of that drawer as well. Well, there she is, and Cody is admiring his work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And until next time, have an amazing day.